Hello everyone, it's Ryan Long here from Boyer Ford Lincoln Bobcaygeon, and today we're taking a look at this 2017 Dodge Caravan. Really nice unit here. This was a local trade-in from one of my customers. They were the only owner of this vehicle, and it has no accidents on it as well. This is how they gave it to us, but it will come certified by our licensed technicians. It'll have brand new brakes, pads, and rotors all the way around, and any other work that's required for the certification. You have the nice GT badge on the back, trailer hitch here, parking sensors, rear view camera. It does have the stow and go seats, and you get plenty of space back here. So these are with all the seats up. Be sure to check out the photos in the first link in the description to see it with all the seating down. It will come with a full tank of gas. It will also come detailed inside and out as well. Second row captain chairs here that stow right into the floor there, and then you do have your third row that seats 3 back there. It does have the DVD players as well, and does have the remotes also, which are sometimes hard to find. You do have your rear climate controls back here and some lights as well. Coming around to the front, you have power windows and locks, of course, power glass adjustable heated mirrors. They do have a little blind spot indicator there as well. Automatic headlights and brightness controls. Very comfortable front power seats that are heated as well. The driver's seat has lumbar. Stepping in the vehicle, only 137,000 kilometers on here, so plenty of life left in this van. You do have your menu controls there. It is a nice heated steering wheel as well. You have your center display there, your dual zone climate, heated wheel and heated seat controls. Econ mode. There's plenty of power options throughout this vehicle. Those are your remotes for the DVD player. And then you do have some storage there and storage in there as well. So a really nice car all the way around. Auto dimming rear view mirror, power sliding doors with the controls there. You can also do that from the remote. It does have remote start as well and a garage door opener there. So a really nice unit all the way around. I do know this vehicle very well as it was a trade-in from one of my customers. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to me directly during business hours, 705-738-2393 and ask for Ryan, or any time of the day directly at my cell, 647-546-9348. Thank you so much. I look forward to speaking with you and providing you with world-class customer service. Talk to you soon. Take care.